What is up, everybody? Welcome back to TeeDogCustoms to another video. I've had something on my mind for a little bit. It involves my drone. I've got a Phantom 3 and you know, I've been wanting to shoot off some fireworks, but I'm not 100% sure exactly how I'm gonna do this, because I'd like to shoot them off from the sky. So I have this idea of connecting a firework to my drone, shooting it up in the air, or flying it up in the air, and seeing what happens. Now this could be a terrible idea. It probably is. Most of my ideas are terrible, but this one at least will be maybe interesting. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna start out with a small firework and we'll try that, and then we'll move to a big one. But what I need is I really need some paracord. I really don't want to ruin my drone, just because, you know, I haven't had it that long, and you know, just don't want to. Okay, I've got some paracord. It is now time to grab some duct tape. So I've got some paracord, some duct tape. Now it's time to kind of put everything together, see what we come up with. So this is the plan. Don't touch down. No. You can be in the video. No. All right, so what we're going to do is somehow connect this to the bottom here. And the plan is to roll the, have the videoing straight down, and so I can see what's going on, sort of. So we're gonna start with this small one, and then we've got this big one. If everything goes good, we can try it with that. But I think we'll just wrap the paracord around the bottom, and then we'll just kind of hang it upside down from the drone. Need to make kind of like a cradle. I think I'm gonna tie it something like this. Let's see here. Maybe that will work. Hopefully that will work if we cradle it something like this. Right like that. Sorry, the ice machine's going off. And now is where we'll use the duct tape. In fact, maybe we'll put a tiny bit of duct tape on here, just to keep it, keep the string from getting tangled up in the camera. So that should be good. Then we'll take the end, grab this fuse. There we go, right like that. So we'll see what happens, guys. Now my drone has taken some hits. I wrecked it a little while ago, so that's why I have this dorky looking tape on it to try to keep it I had to melt the case and all that. There we go. Pop a battery in and we will go outside and see how this does. Loaded down, ready to rock and roll. I need to get my USB charging cable from my drone. Now I'm torn on whether I should wait till it gets darker or test it. By the way, new mulch makes everything look 100 times better. Okay, grab this. I have my wife try to record with the GoPro and her phone so we can get some good footage. If you guys don't know how a drone works exactly, at least with the Phantom 3, you plug your phone in through the cable here, and you have to do that to be able to fly, take off. It's got to be connected, and that's what you view your camera through and everything. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So there's a screen that will pop up and we're going to calibrate the satellite or the compass. Alright guys, so I've got the drone all hooked up and ready. We're going to start with the small firework and then we'll do the big one if that one goes good. I'm going to have my wife video and we'll see what happens. So that first one was pretty much, I would say, a failure. It didn't really work well. So we were kind of screwed out of that one because I didn't hit the record button. But we're gonna go ahead and strap this big daddy on here, see what this does. Let's hope something more exciting happens this time. We will go ahead and try this for a second time. Hopefully this time is a little bit better. We're here with experiment number 2. We've got the bigger one on there now. So again, I'm gonna hand this over to my wife and see if we can get a little more action out of it. All right, guys. Well, that wraps up this one. Maybe at some point I can get some different ones and some bigger ones, or ones that actually shoot or something. That would be pretty cool. But for now, this is it. And I don't know if that's even legal. I'm sure it is, but it was a lot of fun, and I should have waited till it was darker probably, but yeah, I didn't, and that is the only ones that I have. So we will probably call it quits with that. It kind of scared my daughter actually, but it was pretty cool. And yeah, so if you've ever seen the Phantom 3 drone shooting fireworks, you know, this is the first time I've seen it, and it did pretty well. It holds its own. I could have gone a whole lot higher. I just wanted it pretty close to us, so we've got a lot of trees around here, and the higher up it goes, the more chance we have of, you know, a spark getting onto a tree branch or something like that. So anyways, guys, let me know if this was cool or not. I've been trying to think of some things to do kind of off the wall that might be interesting for people besides who might be interested in Jeeps and diesel trucks and stuff like that. So comment below if you thought this was cool, or give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I've got more stuff like this in the pipelines, in the works, so you can expect more stuff like that coming in the future. You know, as always, keep grinding. Peace.